HelloMamas.com and Techlicious here at the Panasonic booth, CES 2015. And we're about to get a really fun tour of all the products Panasonic has. But I wanted to start with the camera that we're filming this on. It is a camera I researched and recently purchased. It's the Panasonic Lumix DMC FZ1000. And here it is right here. It's a great camera because it shoots great digital photos. At the same time, it has up to 4K video. So I wanted to show the camera that we're using. And here we go with a fun tour.
So here at the Panasonic Adventure booth, what we're really showcasing is our A500 wearable camera. My buddy Brad is an actual Spartan racer, and he's going to highlight exactly what functionality you can do with our A500. Now, as you will see, it is a wearable camera. It shoots in 4K resolution, which is 4 times that of HD. Now, of course, he is very active. I myself am not. I have a 2-year-old daughter. But we can really leverage this technology as we go out and we do fun things. So for example, you can actually, as it is Wi-Fi enabled, you could shoot live streaming video with my daughter and myself, Adeline, to our friends and family in Kansas as we're out here in Vegas together. And of course, if indeed the technology is Spartan proof, of course, somebody like me, the novice, it's very rugged and durable, waterproof and Spartan proof. So it's going to withhold anything or withstand anything that I put it through.
Hi there, I'm Dan with Panasonic, and it's my pleasure to introduce you to a few of our appliances from Panasonic this year that are new and exciting. So first thing I'd like to show you is our new slow juicer. It revolves at 45 RPMs, and it has a stainless steel auger. So you slowly rotate the fruit, and rather than a high-speed blender, which is going to add oxidation and heat, this actually goes slowly and preserves all of the enzymes and vitamins, and so you come out with a much more nutritious juice that's a homogeneous mixture rather than one that's been oxidized and heated up. So that's one of the exciting new things from Panasonic in the home area. And also we have a new bread bakery right here. It has an interesting and unique gluten-free setting. So if you use gluten-free ingredients, it has a process which will mix and knead and rest the dough so that you get a perfect gluten-free loaf of bread. And that's new for us this year, and we're really excited about that. Then over here, this is one of our new microwaves that we call inverter cyclonic. If you're familiar with inverter technology, it means that you get even cooking power. So in addition to that, we've improved the inverter process. Now we use a delivery system called cyclonic. Most microwaves, in fact all of them at this point, generate microwaves in one plane, up and down. Whereas with cyclonic, you get this 3D wave effect. So when you add a circulating carousel, you get absolutely even cooking. With the cyclonic and the inverter and the spinning carousel, you get excellent even cooking results. And so that's just a quick tour from Panasonic for the home appliance area for this year. Thank you.
This is our Panasonic headphone section here. This is our Sound Rush collapsible headphone. This is great for your kids. Your kids are always throwing their phone around, so here we have it extended, but you can also fold it up like this, handy for a backpack or a big pocket, cargo pants, wherever you'd like. You can just store it and go. I also want to point out down here, we have our high resolution audio headphone. So these headphones are not available yet. They won't be on the market till the spring. And the idea here is that we will provide noise isolating sound without the batteries, without the charging. So you can just plug your headphones in and go. We've totally redesigned the cone here. And if you can look at that, it's designed so that it surrounds your ear with sound. And it's really amazing.
Okay, here 2015 CES at the Panasonic booth, we are showing a DECT ULB-based home networking system. we have a hub, and we have a node. And you can actually connect to that your smartphone into this hub. You have a security window sensor. You have a smart plug here. We have an outside camera, indoor camera, and also motion sensor. The whole house is secured by this technology. So let's say if somebody access from the window sensor are going to be activated, and the phone going to call you and notify somebody accessing to your home. Everything going to be notified to your phone.
You can just look into the interactive mirror and choose the exact right one that works for you. And especially if it's something like faulty, that are hard to put on, hard to put off, great to just quickly go through. So now when you've decided on the look you want, you can make sure it's going to look good in other places too. So maybe you're going to a restaurant with very dim lighting. Looks pretty good there. And when you're going to work with fluorescent lighting, you want to test it out in those scenarios too, because you might need to tweak the makeup to fit a different scenario.